What is up there everyone, Citrus Aviation here with another video, and today we have an unboxing for you. And we have two boxes here, yes two. I was only expecting one to come in, and there was actually a third box that came, but that will be shown in an unboxing coming next week, the week after this one goes up. And so you'll get to see what that is, but these two models are really exciting. One of them is a surprise. This one up top I was not expecting. But I got both of these from Panda Fox Toys, so let's get started. If this one is the one that I'm thinking it is, it's pretty special, and I'll explain how I got it. Alright, well, let's get started. This is shipped very nicely because it's USPS. This is not UPS. UPS doesn't really like doing a quality shipping job from my experience, at least from around here. Maybe in your area UPS is good, but not here where I am. So I usually pick USPS if I can, and as you can see, this did in fact come from Panda Fox Toys. They have really good deals, because one of the things I like about them is you can order any model and you get free shipping. They don't have a price limit for free shipping, and they often send you 5% discount coupons, which means their prices can often be cheaper than other retailers. So, let's get this one open. And let's see if it is what I think it is. Alright, hold up. Alrighty, there's that. This model is very well packaged. Alrighty. Box, I do think this is what I think it is. Hold up, let's open it. Let's see together what it is. Oh, blue. Oh, that's a discount. Yes, it is. Oh. So this is the Phoenix Models June 2020 release. Only Pwn 777-300ER. Alright, so this model has an interesting story because I actually got this model from YYJ Plane Spine on Instagram. He did a giveaway, and I won his giveaway. And so he was like, okay, you can have a free model of $60 or less in value. And so I chose this one right here. So thank you, sir, Jesse, for the free model. Alright, so yeah, with that being said, thank you, sir, for the model. We will get started with opening it. This one looks very nice. It's in the clear white plastic thing that they do. Ooh, 2 Wi-Fi boxes. Yes, I love that when model companies do that. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's open this carefully. Alright, so here it is in the tray. This does have 2 Wi-Fi boxes, and wow. Oh, that is so detailed. Wow, it looks amazing. I will end up doing a review of this one, as well as all the other new ones I get. But I'm just impressed by the yellow here. The 2 Wi-Fi boxes. This thing is heavy, and this mold. This is an improved mold from the 2016 one. The Singapore 333 that I had, which was already really good, but this one's even better. Rolls nicely too. The rear, the wing root is nice. There are a couple antennas there. A red antenna on the underside, antenna up front. A larger Wi-Fi box up front, as there normally is. Alright, so that one's really nice. And let's move on to the second package now. Alright, this next one is the one I think it is. It should be another really amazing model. If I'm correct, it's one that I ordered about a little over a year ago. It's a JC Wings model, I'll give you a hint there. And JC Wings has really long shipping times. And so I eventually ended up canceling that order because there was the British Airways 777 and Delta CR2 for NG in there. And I knew those models were going to sell out. So with the Delta CR2 and the BA74, I knew they were going to sell out. So I ended up deciding to get express shipping on those, and then the guy at Easy Tours ended up canceling my Korean order, so I ended up not getting it, and I kind of just gave away what it is. But I found the model on the market once again. I thought it sold out, but I found it out on Panda Fox Toys, and I was like, no, you gotta get it. And yes, it is what I think it is. There's another discount. Yes, it is. Alright, this is the... Let me get this into focus. This is the Korean Air 777-300 ER by JC Wings in the 1 to 400 scale with flaps down. Yes, that's right. It is this fantastic a model. This model is quite expensive and just, whoa, look at that presentation right there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Better than Gemini Jets.
Yes. Better than, this is better. Come on, Gemini Jets won't treat you this nice. And look, there's even like a little collection card in here.
Gemini Jets needs more money.
Alrighty. There it is. There she is. We're going to just do a quick inspection of it, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I had a quick look-see at the model, and it is quite nice. This model has flaps down. Let me zoom in here. As you can see, this is one of the features I was really looking for. And this is in the 50 years livery, Korean 333. And you can see it's very nicely detailed there. And we're going to just do a quick overview. Again, this is not the review. The review will come out on the channel later. But we're going to start here at the nose cone, the Korean Air titles, the massive GE90 engines. The wing detail is insane on this model. Those, particularly the flap down. You can see there it says 50 years of excellence. And then there is the 50 years. And then there is the Korean tail. This looks amazing. I've been looking for a Korean Air model for a long time. They are kind of hard to come by as it is. But particularly a 777-300. I did decide to go for the 50 years because so it's not a regular livery, but it's very close to a regular livery. And so since it's close enough, I'll do it. Next up, we have the Phoenix 777-300ER for only Paul. You can see the copper windows, Star Alliance logo, ANA titles, L1 and L2 door, quite nice. Inspiration Japan, that's their slogan. The GE90 engines, obviously the wing detail isn't quite as amazing as on the JC wings, but it's still very good. In fact, the printing is probably a bit better on this one. The Wi-Fi boxes, all the antenna details, the ANA tail, these two models are rather fabulous. And so I'll just give a quick concluding thoughts on these. Because again, it's not the review. The review will come at a later date. It's just the unboxing. So, in conclusion, I think these are both amazing models. I've been looking for them for a long time. This is something I really wanted. And so I'm really, really happy to finally have a Korean Air model, particularly 777, and an ANA 333. So that'll now be my third ANA model. And these are, I believe, 4th and 5th 777-300s that I have in the collection. I have already KLM, British Airways, Singapore, and Etihad. So actually these are 5th and 6th ones. But even still, models I've been looking for a long time. They're very high quality. I recommend them both. If you want them, you need to buy them quick because they're going to sell out pretty quickly. But yeah, thank you to Jesse for the ANA 777. Go check his Instagram account. I have it linked below. And also the Korean is quite nice too. So, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day and God bless you.